Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. My name is Veronica and I do videos on motherhood and lifestyle, and in today's video it is going to be a laundry motivation. Now, I am not exaggerating when I say that my house is out of control at the moment. I am in the middle of a massive declutter / reorganization, and laundry has just piled up. This huge mess of laundry is going to transform. I'm going to fold everything up. It took me around 20 minutes to get everything done, and it wasn't as bad as it seemed. So hopefully today's video will give you a little bit of inspiration if you're like me and things have just gotten a little bit out of control and you just need to sit down and power through a nice folding session. So follow along as I fold everything and get everything nice and orderly. Y'all, when I say I had a short window to get this laundry folded, I am not lying. Zoe woke up as soon as I finished folding everything, but it is all folded, it is ready to be put away, and it is completely managed from that huge pile of crazy laundry into nice and folded little neat stacks. The thing about laundry when it's waiting to be folded is when it's not folded and it's just kind of in a big pile or in a hamper, it looks like so much more than it is. It can be very, very intimidating. But as you can see, I had a huge pile to begin with. It was super messy. But once it's folded, you can see it's actually a totally manageable amount of laundry. So this is how I spent 20 minutes on my Saturday morning getting everything in order. I hope this motivated you a little bit to tackle that pile of laundry that is waiting for you. Until next time, I'll catch you in my next video. Bye bye.